Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video using the beautiful Bramble Fox perspectives, and I already fussy cut some flowers and butterflies from the design papers from the Vicki Boutin collection, and I start stamping some more flowers with the stamps, and I use a ready-to-go mixed media background from the Vicki Boutin collection, and I stamp with my black ink, memento ink, cheerful flowers on the background, and I fussy cut these flowers by using my scissor, and because I want to use these mixed media flowers on my beautiful fall page that I want to create for Bramble Fox video. So here I fussy cut the flowers that I want to use for my layout, and when I fussy cut all the flowers, we start creating a background on for my scrapbook layout, and for the background I use the beautiful stencil, the leaf stencil from the Bramble Fox. I thought it is the stencil number 23, and I love the leaf stencil. I use them a lot. So I'm ready to with my flowers, and here I already cut out a hexagon, and I with my fine liner I draw a hexagon in the center of my scrapbook layout on my white background, and here I start using the stencil from the Bramble Fox collection, the leaves, and with my Distress Oxide walnut stain I apply the ink to my stencil, and so I create a beautiful leaf stencil on the background of my layout. Here I start with my fine liner, the 0.02. It's a small fine liner that I use, and I draw, I make lines around the leaves, so I'm creating more dimension in my leaves on the background of this scrapbook layout. I stitched the hexagon on the background with a golden sewn thread by using my sewing machine, and I sew my hexagon several times on the background here. I cut the design paper to size, put it behind the photo, and I rough the edges with my distress etcher, and you can use your scissor as well to rough the edges. I place my photo on my layout, and now it's time to make different clusters with all the flowers that I already fussy cut from the design paper, and the flowers that I stamp on the mixed media background. And these cute little pink pumpkins are just perfect on this scrapbook layout, and I love the perspectives on my scrapbook pages. I'm a very big fan, and I always be, because perspectives are give your layout just the little extra touch. So definitely a big fan over here. So here I'm building my clusters further with all the flowers, and I use a metal die, also from the Bramble Fox, the metal die in the set number 3, and I place the numbers from the die here. I place them random between the flower clusters and my picture. Here I placed some dark pink twigs and leaves between the flower clusters, and I think pink is not even an autumn color, but in this setting with all these colors with each other, I think fits really well. And I think with all these vibrant colors I get an autumn feeling. So yes, you can definitely use vibrant colors to make a beautiful fall autumn scrapbook layout. Here I made a cluster on top of this page, of course with the beautiful flowers, twigs, leaves, and the beautiful perspectives. Just look this pink little butterfly and the acorns. Yes, I'm very happy to use the perspectives on this scrapbook layout, and it gives me really an autumn feeling. Now it's time to make a title for this layout, and I made the title Hello Fall, and I use this beautiful and colorful alphabet, and the word hello I made from I use a black alphabet, and I love the writer's font of this black alphabet. So the title for this layout is Hello Fall. Now it's time to make some splatters on my layout. I made splatters with white acrylic paint and this just oxide walnut stain, and I mixed both of them with a little bit of water and splashes around with my brush. So I hope I was able to inspire you with this colorful fall layout and the beautiful perspectives and how you can use the perspectives and the leaf stencil. So I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the website for more beautiful perspectives goodies, stencils, and of course the Facebook group with all the beautiful inspiration what you need for your scrapbook pages and other projects. So for now, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time on YouTube, and wish you for now a beautiful and crafty day. Bye bye.